Hi, if you haven't got a Notion account, then I'm going to show you quickly how to set one up. I'm on the Notion webpage, which is notion.so. I've gone to personal and then click on the sign up button. So you can sign up with whatever details you want. I'm going to use an email address, continue with email. It's gone to through my email, and you can either click on a link on the email or put in the code. Creating new account. Do the usual agree things, and Nicola. Continue. Right, so you can work with a team or you can work for yourself. I'm going to stick myself at the moment. I suspect you will be as a solo business owner, but you can share things if you want. This is the free version completely. If you want to pay for it, then you may, or if you want to include a team, then it's paid for. And this is the version I use, so only myself at the moment. Click away from. And eventually. So it'll then talk you through what you get. So this is the home page and it on a browser. You can download an app, which I use majority of the time, onto your desktop, and it'll prompt you for that, I'm sure, in a minute if we go through the templates. So there's all sorts of things you can do. So there's a getting started guide. Which gives you some helpful hints and some quick notes that it's provided you with, just as templates for you to be able to do things, giving you an idea of what's available. All fairly basic stuff for you to look at. But there you go. It's as easy as that. You're in and up and running.